Attorney, doon sa objection nyo, doon sa mga opening statements, maging nung nakaraang linggo, laging binabanggit yung conclusion of facts and conclusion of law. Pwede nyo i-expound para mas maintindihan ng ating
Oo,
mga
ibig
kababayan kung ano yung conclusion of law, ano yung conclusion.
Ibig sabihin kasi sinasabi mo na ginawa ng isang tao ang isang illegal na act when in fact hindi pa napapatunayan at hukom lang naman ang pwede magsabi niyan.
Bago natapos itong trial, ay binanggit si presiding officer patungkol nga doon sa position nyo doon sa pagpapalit ng sequence.
Opo.
Patik po at ano bang dinahilan niyo doon sa inyong position paper?
Opo. I cannot go into the details of that because as you know, talagang na-warningan na kami last week, no, about speaking and discussing the merits of the case in public or even all of these things that we file. But siguro para lang sa kalaman ng lahat, ang pinanggagalingan lang naman ng posisyon namin is where the burden of proof actually lies. And the burden of proof lies with the prosecution. So dapat tapusin nila yung kaso.
Sorry, paliwanag na ulit yung sa fire exit angle. Kaya yung cross-examine yung question na yun dahil para maiwasan na maisip ng ating mga kababayan na tinatakas, di tinatago, kaya sa fire exit dumaan.
Para sinabi mo na hindi dumaan doon sa Meralco Avenue, di ba?
Para lang hindi na magkaroon ng any negative connotation kung bakit ba sa fire exit. In-explain lang natin kung nasaan ba talaga ang land bank DepEd, which is inside the DepEd compound.
At may fire exit nakadikit yun na pwedeng dumiretso sa loob.
Sa totoo ako po, wala po akong personal knowledge. That's why inilisted kasi never ko pong nakita never po akong pumasok sa DepEd land bank. That's why I had to elicit that from the witness.
Tapos sa prosecution po, meron din situation na nagmamatch kasi siya doon sa description ng past nila Scania. What are your thoughts on that?
I do not remember anything about Las Cañas having a bag.
Camille Madriaga.
Well, we'll have to just prove our point during our cross-examination of the witness Madriaga if he is in fact presented.
Update on your foreign spokesperson?
Wala pa po sa ngayon. Pag-usapan pa lang namin ng ating kliyente, ang ating vice presidente.
Mas ilabag ayon sa defense sa pre-trial order yung pagbabago ng proseso ng trial.
But I don't want to get into that, sir. I hope you understand. No? As I said, our main argument is that the burden of proof lies with the prosecution, and I'll leave it at that.
Sir, sorry. Response lang, comment lang po sa insinuation na baka daw kaya ayaw ng defense na magbago yung arrangement dahil wala pa daw kung available na witnesses. Any comment or clarification?
That's not true. Okay, thank you very much.
Your comment on dun sa kay Senator Pia and kay Attorney Job about the splice.
I do not comment on issues that I'm not involved with. Hindi po ako yung taong nakikisawsaw sa mga issues. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Last po sana.
Okay.
Gusto ko i-aakyat sa Supreme Court if napag-usapan na po ba ng defense team yung subpoena po sa financial records?
I'll let you know once there's an update on that. Thank you.
So,